everybody, welcome to Blocks Mania. Today we are going to see how to make container truck which looks like this. Let's see how we can make it. Now I'm going to start by making the front of the truck. Making the front of the truck, we have to attach these two pieces, both the sides, and one of these pieces here, and then attach this one underneath at the first. This is the axle for the wheels. I'm not going to attach the wheels now. And take one of these pieces and fix them at the bottom and fix them here and make the glass. This is going to be the glass, and I'm going to attach these three pieces like this and then fit them here. Now I'm going to turn it upside down and fix one here. Fix another one here. And now I'm taking one of these, attaching it here. Okay, now we have to take this, place it here, only a little, and open it up, fix this one in the center. Now we should adjust it and then fit this piece. Now the nose of the truck is ready. I'm going to show you how to make the middle. For making the middle, we have to attach one of these pieces, another one of these, then again zigzag. Now we can bend till this piece. And again we are going to fix the same way here. In this way, and then fit this piece here. Now I am going to attach this piece here to again form another axle. And now again fit this piece here. If the angling is not correct, the piece might fall. Now the second compartment is ready. I am now going to make the back. For making the back, we have to attach this piece at the top with these two pieces at both the sides, and then fit this piece to these both at the sides. In the same way, fit it here and then attach it here. Now I'm going to put this aside and take these pieces, attach one at the one at the bottom, and then take these two. Now the back of the truck is ready. I'm now going to assemble it together. Back of the truck is ready. Now we should place the truck upside down and then connect this piece. Actually, this should be fitted opposite way so that this piece fits over here. Now I'm going to fix 6 wheels. As I have 2 sets of the same kind, I have 6 wheels. Or you can stop by making it here itself if you only have one. Now I am attaching the wheels. Now we can press all the sides where there are joints. For example, here, then here, and here. For that, for compressing oil and then pressing at the sides. Now our truck is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.